did it for you. I did it for you. Yeah, yeah, I did it for you. That's why I did it, y'all. For all the listeners, did it for you. Whoever been hearing this, yeah, that's why I do what I do. I do it for you. I do it for you. I do it for you. Yeah, let's go. Single mother, low income, riding the bus. Big mama making the fuss, saying that God she trusts. My uncle's 20, I'm 10, taking gulps of gin. He don't realize that we all engulfed in sin. Gangbangers on the corner got me wanna be down. Take a bullet for some city-owned government ground. By 25, everybody locked or dead. Too busy playing around, never looking ahead. Every funeral, cats get upset and they cry. Turn their heads to the sky, trying to ask God why. But they never looked up till then. Every other day concerned with the world and consumed in sin. Not Christ, just heaven they want. They think clean means not trying to sling things out of the trunk. Nobody ever told them heaven was spotless, and we all dirty. That's why we need a holy God to watch. I did it for you. I opened up and shared my life so that you can see we all need Christ. I did it for you. If you can understand my pain, maybe you can see we all need change. I did it for you. Gave you my life, my pain, my hurt. Man, I hope this works. I did it for you. And since Christ died for sin, I'll never be the same again. I did it for you. Dude, I remember coming home after school, changing channels from the videos back to cartoons. Up late, talking on the phone under my bed, so mama couldn't hear some of the things I said. And it wasn't all bad, but it wasn't all good. Even though mama was doing the best she could, I was a latchkey, home alone for hours, entertaining my sin and my soul devoured. And if you ask who I've written this to, that's right, y'all, I did it for you.